To be sure, trading is a game of numbers, but it's an easy game if you know how to play. Let me give you an example, and get out a calculator or an Excel spreadsheet, but open your mind and let's change your life. Suppose you have a $6 stock, and the one we like to play with in our Discord is SoFi, S-O-F-I, the stock symbol SoFi, a $6 stock. And 10% of $6 would be 60 cents. So if you can make 60 cents, you've made 10% on your money. So 1% would be just 6 cents. How hard would it be to use charts, technical analysis, indicators, or maybe just my Discord at copyandwin.com? But how hard would it be to find a 6-cent move every once in a while? But let's make it easier. What if you only wanted a 2-cent move? A $6 stock that just goes up 2 cents or goes down 2 cents and you make your money. Well, let's do some math on 2 cents when all you want is a 2-cent profit on a $6 stock. Because if you do the math, you won't sleep tonight. And you'll wonder why you still go to a 40-hour work week or 60-hour work week. So here's the math. If you have a $6 stock and using indicators or my Discord or your own technical analysis or however you figure it out, if you can figure out when that stock's about to go up by just 2 pennies, 2 cents. Well, here's the math. 2 cents on a $6 stock is roughly 0.0033%, like 1/3 of 1%. Nothing to sneeze about, for sure. So 2 cents doesn't get you rich, or does it? Because suppose you're trading in a margin account. We've talked about that before. If you're confused about a margin account, go back and check out one of my other YouTube posts. If 2 cents gets you 0.0033 in a margin account, and a margin account is giving you 4 times leverage on your money, then every time you find a 2-cent profit on a $6 stock, such as SoFi, well, you make 0.003, except because of the margin and the leverage, you make 1.2% on your money on a 2-cent trade? Yeah. So let's say you have $25,000. That gives you the buying power of $100,000. And I know that sounds like a lot of money, but imagine if you had $2,500 or even $250. But suppose you had $25,000 in a margin account, so you could buy and sell $100,000 worth of SoFi at $6 each. That's roughly 16,666 shares, I think. And you only make 2 cents per share. Every time you make that trade and make just 2 cents on 16,000 shares, well, you make over $320. Now, if you make $320 on a $25,000 account or $32 on a $2,500 account, well, you're making about 1.2% per day. Per day, my friend. Not per week, not per month, per day. Multiply that times 5 days, a month. So 1.2% every time you can find a way to make just 2 pennies on a $6 stock. Can you do that more than once a day? Well, in my Discord at copyandwin.com, where thousands of people follow me, we found a way to do it about once an hour. So suppose you can make 1.2% on your money several times a day. It's life-changing. So the next time mom, dad, your neighbor, your friend, your coworker tells you you can't get rich in the stock market because that's for fancy folks who are super smart and have super computers, well, they're just wrong. Do the math. Math doesn't lie. You've got to think about commissions, but 2 cents on a $6 stock can change your life. Imagine if you get 4 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents a day on a $6 stock. That's just one example. We do this every day, all day long in my Discord. It's free to look at the Discord and see what we do. We're ready to change your life. I hope you are too. I'll be back.